Welcome to our full review of the highly anticipated 2026 Dacia Motorhome. Dacia, known for its affordable yet robust vehicles, is now stepping into the luxury motorhome market with a stunning new design, cutting-edge technology, and remarkable comfort. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Dacia Motorhome boasts a bold, futuristic appearance. Its front fascia is dominated by a sleek LED headlight strip running across the width, giving it a high-tech, modern look. The Dacia badge sits proudly in the center of a blacked-out grille, seamlessly blending with the vehicle's aerodynamic bodywork. The sculpted hood and angular bumper add a touch of sportiness, making this motorhome not just practical, but stylish as well. Moving to the rear, the taillight design is just as striking, featuring a wraparound LED setup for enhanced visibility. The large panoramic rear window ensures plenty of natural light inside, while the integrated rear spoiler and modern black accents complete the sleek and luxurious aesthetic. Additionally, the electric rear door allows for easy access, making loading and unloading a breeze. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an ultra-modern and spacious interior. Dacia has clearly prioritized luxury and functionality, making this motorhome a perfect choice for travelers and adventurers. The cockpit is equipped with a fully digital driver's display, a massive touchscreen infotainment system, and a premium leather-wrapped steering wheel. At the rear, you'll find a cozy yet spacious bedroom, complete with a high-quality mattress, soft ambient lighting, and multiple storage compartments. The fully equipped kitchen includes a high-end induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink, a smart fridge, and a convection microwave. Under the hood, the 2026 Dacia Motorhome is expected to offer both diesel and hybrid powertrain options. The diesel variant may feature a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering powerful torque for long-distance travel. The 2026 Dacia Motorhome is expected to have a highly competitive starting price. While most luxury motorhomes in this segment cost between $80,000 and $120,000, Dacia may introduce this model at around $60,000 to $75,000, making it a game-changer in the industry.